Hi guys, welcome to DesiCaliChech. My videos are about living the Indian American life in California. Take a peek and see what it's like. Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. So I'm back here. I'm going to unbox the sari that I got from India. There's also an outfit for men, I guess. So for my son. I know it's that time of the year when you just get in the mood to buy saris. There's a few weddings happening, then there are all these festivals going on. The Ganesh festival happened, and then there is Janmashtami happened. There's so many Hindu festivals, and there's also Rosh Hashanah coming up. So it's just that time of year. So I thought, why not get myself, I always get in the mood. Since last year I've been buying saris and I don't even wear them, but this year I think I'm going to end up wearing it because we're going to India, and there are a couple of weddings, so I'm hoping maybe there I might not be able to wear it here because I really don't know how to go about it. But I just love the fabric. So here's another sari I bought, same from Masaba. You may have seen my earlier video, and I want to see what this one's like. And this one's for myself, for me, because the earlier one, was for my mother, and she's loving it, she's enjoying it, she's having a good time. And I really like this brand because I like what she stands for. There's a lot of diversity in her message and inclusivity. So all kinds of women, no matter their skin color, their shape, their size, no bar, she caters to all. So I just love that about her. And she's modern and young and trendy and all of that. So I like supporting people like that. So let's see what this sari is gonna look like. I'm excited. I waited a week to do this video, so I haven't opened it. It's still there, so I have no idea what it's going to be like. So the last time it came in a box, but this time it's just in a packet. So I'm like, oh, I hope it's going to be as nice, because what I really liked about her stuff was also her packaging, because she puts in a lot of thought into it, the design and all that. But this is just looks like it's probably just wrapped in a plastic bag. We'll see. I have to be careful because it's so close. I don't want to cut off part of the fabric, Ooh, there seems to be a dust bag in there, just like the last time, and I just love that dust bag so much. So it looks similar to that. Wow. So there's no Masaba box, but it's in the dust bag, which I like. I hope it still has that pearl button on the other side. Let's see. It does. I love this. I love the pearl button. So let's open it. It is in plastic bags. Okay, I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. There's my sari. It's a pink sari. Okay, with some kind of gold design on it. Nice. There we go. Oh, okay. The material is a little different from what my mother had. So this doesn't seem as flowy. So my mom's sari was a little clingy on the body, so which is kind of nice, I think, because it kind of drapes around you quite nicely. So I have the blouse piece here, which I'll go to India and try to get that made. So this would be probably go on the sleeve like this, My mom told me don't crumple it all up before you bring it here. So it's going to be like this. Okay, but the material is a little different from what I was expecting. It's hard to tell, It's definitely more cottony. It's a little bit more stiff. It's nice. It's a nice, simple pink color. I don't think I'm as excited as the sari that my mother had. But if this is something that you like, then you might like it. Does it sound like I'm about to cry? I don't know. So it's not bad. So I'm wondering if this cottony material will get really crinkled, and I don't know if it's too simple to wear for a wedding. So yeah, maybe my mom will like it, I don't know. If it's not something I can carry it off, I can always give it to her. So I'm sorry, I was going to give a really enthusiastic video, but I'm a little bit not as excited about this one, and I don't know how to fake it. So I was expecting a more silky, flowy kind of material, but I guess the fault lies with me because I didn't know what the material was. So it's hemmed on both sides. So yeah, so here we are. I'll need somebody to help me wear it. Actually, it's nice now that I open it. And I don't know how to wear it myself. So I'm going to do this in India, or I have to look up some YouTube videos and figure it out. But yeah, the color is nice. Color is nice. The other side is just plain. It doesn't have the print on it. Do you see that? So that's something you have to be aware of. So guys, I've fluctuated back and warmed up to it really fast. So I wanted to say, you watched my earlier video. I talked more about the blouse and the petticoats. You can get it on Amazon. And my cousin gave me a good idea. She said I could buy a crop top. I could look for crop tops and see what fits, for the blouse. Just for the fun of it, I decided to order this blouse on Amazon, and I tried it on. It's not bad, I thought it was really loose along the neck, but because it has these drawstrings at the back, you can just tighten it. I might try and make a blouse that's longer blouse like this, because I like the sleeve coming down here. Just something nice and modest, and maybe more flattering even. Although it would be nicer to have a blouse like this in the hot summers. But I think it's just nice if it's long like this. So I'll do that. But I'll have to go to India for that. Get it sewn. For a hot summer day, it's going to be quite nice. Don't you think? I think so. Well, now let's go on to the men's. This looks nice. This looks really nice. I think this will be good on my son. It says dry clean only. So he will wear this like a nice men's kurta. I think he's going to look quite handsome in this. Ooh, the sleeves are like long. We'll probably need to get tailored. No, it'll probably be good on him. He's got broad shoulders. Let me see if I can get my husband to model. I just kind of had an argument with him, so I don't know if that's going to happen. But let's try. We can always try. And then these are the pants that go with it, and it's elastic. That's good. It's elastic, and also has a drawstring, so you can tighten it. Oh, I like that option. So, and I will give the price and the description of these items in the description box. This time I had to go back and forth quite a bit with them, and tell them to mail it to me. Like, I wasn't getting an acknowledgement. Somehow my credit card didn't go through. The first time around last year I had no problems at all, but this time I did. But their customer service is really good, so you can always just email them, and I also WhatsApp them. So they have a number, so you can WhatsApp them, and they're very responsive, and they'll let you know what's going on with it. So I like that. So it got to me within maybe 3 weeks. I did stress out a little bit, wondering, oh my gosh, because I had to finally make a PayPal payment, and it went through and everything was fine. But I just got a little suspicious halfway through. I don't do a lot of shopping from India, so I wasn't sure. But yeah, it made it. So this is my son's outfit, and I'm hoping he'll wear it to one of the weddings that we're planning to go to, at least one. So there you have it. That's my unboxing. And let me see if I can get my husband to wear it for you and model it, okay? So I bullied him into wearing it, He's the bully though on most days. And here he is. So what do you think?
It's not bad. Not bad. I normally like a little bit of contrast, but I must say in this case even the more subtle patterns and contrast work.
Okay. Okay, I like how you're trying to keep all these poses and all that. It's not necessary, but okay, we'll take it. This is for my son. Let's check it out in the outside light. Stop it. He doesn't look too bad, I must say. So if there are any men watching, they can see what this outfit looks like. It's quite nice. Should put this as your WhatsApp profile. It's not a video, remember. So that's me and my sari and the men's outfit. So I hope you got a good sense of what this whole sari deal is, and maybe it has inspired you to get one. Even though I was a bit of a Debbie Downer at the start, but it still is nice. And you know, you may be much more experienced than me, so you will definitely be able to handle this if it is a more starchy, stiffer material. So yeah, but the color, you have to admit, that's exactly what I had in mind. I wanted it like this. I wanted it to be nice and light and cooling. So if you like the video, guys, do like and subscribe and come back for more. There'll always be stuff happening around here. Until then, bye.